Top political earthquakes shaping America: immigration, religion, war, and election tensions today. Governor Hochul's legal push against Trump's deportation policies tests voter sentiment on immigration nationwide. Trump's attacks on Pope Leo and a deleted Jesus meme fracture his MAGA coalition, deepening GOP frustrations. DOJ seeks to erase Proud Boys and Oath Keepers leaders' January 6 convictions, fueling controversy over justice and accountability. Local election officials express deep concerns about political interference and retribution ahead of the crucial fall midterms. California's promised rapid wildfire recovery stalls, leaving Los Angeles trailing behind other regions after devastating blazes. Stay ahead with the latest political news. Follow us